Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're taking a look at the mesh cargo bed net for the 2024 Ford Maverick. Okay, let's remove it from the back. Four carabiners. This looks like rust, but I think it's just like a preventive grease for the carabiners themselves, because the carabiners are rust free that I can see. And the net itself. Okay. Let's see, we have 4 hooks here. And they look fairly high strength. Okay, let's get these carabiners on. Make sure we get the right side up. Okay, we're doing the driver's side now. Stick the carabiner on top here. Bottom. Now moving to the passenger side. Now we get the bottom. The product doesn't come with exact dimensions, but it's roughly going to be 40 inches wide and 15 inches in height. Let's see what kind of goodies we can store in here. Let's see if we can cram this bucket in. Maybe. The items seem to be nice and snug and secure. Let's move it around a bit. After the installation, I can recommend this mesh net by Logi. I'll put the link in the comment section. My only minor gripe is the chrome hooks, but in the future video we'll be installing black ones. Be sure to visit my channel for full length videos.